What's good, family? Welcome back to the spot. Time to kill some boredom. So I just relocated my refrigerator, and I have to use an outlet that's currently present in the kitchen until I relocate the outlet. Really, till I add more outlets. I just upgraded my breaker. But anyways, that's another video. So this video is going to be a quick video. It's just basically I am installing a GFCI, which is recommended for all water rooms. In my opinion, you should put them in your house regardless. Basically, it's just a breaker on your outlet. But enough jaw jacking, guys. Let's just bang this out. I've already pulled it out of the wall. This is what I'm going to put in right here. You know, the CFCIs technically should be in all water areas, kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, but to play it safe, I put them in every room. It's better safe than sorry. But no special tools, so we're gonna turn this off, and we need to know that it's getting power. Well, fan going up. See my kids' artwork. Now you go over to your breaker. This is so wrong. I just got it installed. It's a brand new panel, and when they went through the tests of everything, they found out that these two are on the same breaker. Really stupid. So we're about to kill this real quick, and hopefully that kills our power. Now the fan's off. Yep, no power. Okay, so now we can do the swap. Remove the screw. Bam. Okay, this is a 2-wire. With 2 wires, it's really best to use these GFCIs. So we're gonna unscrew it. One there and one on that side. Okay, these 2 wires look the same color. So we're gonna go off with they typically are. Typically, the right side when it's facing you is the gold brass color, and the white is the white screw. So we're gonna play it like that. And also, that's a metal box, so I need to get some electrical tape to tape around it. And this right here is for load. When you're installing extra outlets, you would pigtail off of that and go around, but we're not using it. Okay, I forgot to mention it, but I just nipped it, eyeballed it, but at the bottom, that's how long you want your wire to be. And you open that up, and the wire goes under that brass connector right there. So you just pick a side, and you do that on both ends. Alright, we got it plugged up. Now, moment of truth. Okay, and then with this one, because it's a 2-wire, that means no ground. So what you do is no equipment ground. You always want to be safe. Let people know what they get themselves into when they plug up, because electricity's nothing to play with. So I'm just gonna take the no equipment ground sticker off and just put it somewhere This obviously ain't been kept well. On top of there's singeing right there. So I believe the reason it was singeing was the metal was touching, arcing some stuff. Plus, it's never good to have paint and all that crap on your connectors. But thanks for coming, guys. Spot you in the next one.